I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to change your phone number on SoFi Invest, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the SoFi Invest app. Launch the SoFi Invest app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you're in the app, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner. From there, select account settings from the menu options. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled personal information and tap on it. This section contains your contact details, including your phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find the current phone number listed and tap on it to edit. Enter your new phone number and ensure it is correct before saving the changes. Step 5. Verify your new number. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you don't receive the code, double check the number you entered for any mistakes. Changing your phone number is straightforward, and following these steps should help you do it without any hassle. Happy investing!